Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on multicolored parrots in English. Please do subscribe my channel. The multicolored parrots are also known as the Mulga Parrots. It is found in the most tropical and subtropical regions. The greatest diversity of parrots are found in South America and Australia. They have colorful feathers. Multicolored parrots are mostly domestic birds. They live in cages and tree holes. They are omnivorous and eat fruits, seeds, nuts, vegetables, etc. They have two eyes, two ears, two legs, a curved beak and a tail. They can form a group of 30 to 35 birds. They can fly at very high speed. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.